What's up, everybody, and welcome to M28 Garage. My name is Travis, and on today's episode, we've got a Toro Titan 6000 that seems to be running on one cylinder. One of the main complaints is that when you're trying to cut grass, that it'll just bog down, that it can't just motor through grass like it should. And then also, if you're just listening to it idle, you can tell something's going on. I've done a little bit of diagnostic, and I think I've found maybe the culprit. So stick around, we'll diagnose it together, we'll hopefully fix it together, and hopefully this can help you sort out your troubles if you're having a rough running, lack of power Toro 6000. And this is the Kohler engine, and so let's get into it. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna check spark on each cylinder and see if we got spark. So I'll say this, I know on this side it's going to be a lot stronger, so this thing will actually run, you'll see. But see how I'm trying that spark here? All right, so there's that one. Now check this out. When we come over here. All right, let's see if I can get this and do this without blowing my eardrums off. So that's not a good sign. Look at that sweet start. So that tells us more than likely that this coil is bad. So we've got some replacement coils here, ready to put in. If you're gonna diagnose your own stuff, you gotta get you at least something like this to be able to tell if you're getting spark. These are cheap. You can get these off Amazon. I'll try to remember to link one of these. All right, so let's get to it. First things first. Take off the air filter. Get my guys here. And you'll see the tools, they'll just stay right there. Hey, I want to take a moment to thank Sunex Tools for sending me some stuff that maybe I didn't even know I needed to try out and see how I liked. And these magnets, they're game changers. Like, keeping tools in place, keeping nuts and bolts in place. They're soft, they're flexible, they go anywhere, and they've got some serious magnetic power. And I like them a lot. And I'll put some links in the video description and where you can link and pick these up. If you got Amazon Prime, it'll be free shipping. And dude, these things really work, and as you probably can tell in the video. But thanks to Sunex, appreciate it a lot. These things rock. Boom. It's a pretty quick access. I'll be honest, that flywheel don't look great. The good news is we're gonna know fairly quick. Over to that side. There's a ground. Doesn't look broke. Mm-hmm. About a piece of paper here. There it is. So 5/1000ths. So we'll spin this over here. I'm going right here. Probably could clean those up just a touch. You know what? We're gonna leave it alone because that other one's rolling good. Give us some room. Come on, little boat. I could pretty much say these are all the way back. Misbehaving. What? So we got our gap. We matched the gap on this one like this one. So I'll fire this thing up. So I think we're good here. Let's bust it off and see. Because we got fire shooting out that exhaust now, it's wanting to burn the oil up and stink my stinking shop up. It's wanting to burn all the excess oil that's been trapped in there. Which is good, it's fixed, but geez, man, that's gonna be nasty. All right, well there you go. Coil was definitely the culprit. Weak spark is your diagnosis. So, hey, at least it's fixed, but that's going to be nasty. All right, guys, so there you have it. The coil on the left side of the engine was bad. Swapped the coil out. Immediately, the engine started running good. So good that I almost started a fire because it's burning all the excess oil in the muffler. So that's going to be fun to burn off, but I'm going to put it back together and let it kind of burn and run that off. And just remember, Sunex bolt holders, dude, it's legit. I like it. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe, share the content. Hey, and I hope it worked for you, and we'll catch you next time. Thanks, bye.